Gingerbread Village, and along the way we're going to be sharing with you some tips on how to make your gingerbread house the best it can ever be.
And make sure your gingerbread house is completely edible, because then you're going to be wasting a lot of food, and we think that's wrong.
So without further ado, let's get started building this gingerbread village.
Let's open this box and start building our gingerbread village.
So now, let's start with tip number 1. So, now every one of these gingerbread packages comes with this piece of cardboard. And now, you want a nice decoration. What's the most Christmassy thing you could think of? Snow, of course. So here's what you're going to do. You're going to get some white fondant, just like this one, and make it the exact same size as the cardboard that we have over here.
And if it only comes with one board and you want to make multiple houses, then you can just cut another piece of fondant just the same size as that and place it on a piece of parchment paper or anything else.
So, here's what you're going to do now. You are going to get a brush and some water. Now you want our snow to stick on there. So you're going to dip your brush in the water a bit. Yeah, and now you're just going to brush it.
After you finish that, you have to put on some powdered sugar to make it look like snow. And you can use this to just sprinkle it on top. So, looking real nice. Sure, it might get a bit messy, so just put some parchment paper at the bottom just so you can remove it and the table will be completely clean.
Now's the time for tip number 2.
So, always decorate your pieces before assembling the house, because it's very hard to decorate the house while it's vertical and all the icing might fall down. So it's better to do it horizontally because it's much easier that way. Let's start decorating. Ready, bro?
So here's another tip. You could roll out your gummies.
So I'm gonna put icing on my little triangles from my green rolled out gummies and place them right on this circle.
Okay, so I'm going to roll out this gummy a bit more. Just like that. Looking pretty good. Squeeze a bit. And now I'm going to cut it with a knife. Don't try this at home, kids. So, I have cut out this gummy in the shape of a square, and I am going to use this for my window. So there's a bit there, but I'm just going to add a bit more just to be safe. Okay, now let's put this on. Real good. Okay, now I'm going to do this on some of my other windows, and this is such an awesome strategy to use if you want a colored window, which I think looks really cool when you're making a gingerbread house or a gingerbread village.
So, after you finish decorating the pieces of your house, then you have to wait for them to set for at least 1 hour, so when you build it, it won't fall apart. Now, since 1 hour is finished and all our pieces are dried up, it's time for assembly.
Okay, so here's how we're going to assemble it. We're just going to put some royal icing at the back over here, just like that. And I'm going to do this on every side of my little gingerbread house. That's it for this video. I hope these tips helped you build your gingerbread house, and we had a lot of fun making it, and we hope you did as well. Follow our tips and your gingerbread house will be really good. Anyway, that's it for this video. We hope you enjoyed. Remember